Welcome to this guide on installing the AMK air suspension compressor for the Mercedes-Benz GL or GLS-Class X166 and the ML or GLE-Class W166. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Lift the vehicle and remove the front wheel as well as the fasteners and the front inner wheel well liner to expose the vehicle's air suspension compressor. Next, locate and then disconnect the two electrical connectors from the compressor. Now locate and slowly remove the air line from the compressor. Also remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. Locate and remove the 3 mounting nuts to remove the compressor from the vehicle. Please note that the factory isolators will be reused in the installation process. Now locate the larger rubber hose leading to the compressor. Pinch and slide the hose clamp off of the air fitting and remove the air hose. Remove the compressor from the vehicle and the removal is complete. Do not remove the air fitting from the air suspension compressor. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the air line until fully seated. Install the new AMK compressor in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.